Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making mango rum cake. For this recipe I'm using red never white rum, milk, yogurt, brown sugar, white sugar, baking powder, vanilla, salt, butter, eggs, mango juice, mangoes, cake flour, and Kingston 62 Gold Rum. In a 9-inch baking tin I'm pouring melted butter, and I will now add the brown sugar, sprinkle brown sugar over that and set it aside. It's time to peel the mangoes and then cut along the broad side, and you will use those in the recipe. Cut the round part off so that you get a fairly flat surface. Then use a cookie cutter to cut a circle in one of those slices, then assemble those in the baking tin. Now it's time to cream the butter and the sugar. Pour the sugar in a bowl and then add the butter. Use a hand mixer to cream the butter and the sugar. Do scrape the sides of the bowl as you go along. The mixture should be pale yellow. Add the eggs one at a time, beating each for 2 minutes. Then add the vanilla and the yogurt. Use the hand mixer to combine those with the rest of the ingredients. Now I have sifted the dry ingredients in a bowl, and I'm going to add that alternately with the liquid. I've combined the mango juice and the milk. Use a hand mixer to combine the ingredients. Slowly add the liquid to the batter and use a hand mixer to combine liquid with the rest of the batter. Continue doing that until you have used up all of the flour and the liquid. Now it's time for you to add the white rum. Use a spoon to combine the white rum with the rest of the ingredients, slowly adding the white rum. Then pour that in the baking tin that has been prepared. Knock the baking tin to get rid of the large bubbles, and then bake that in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. While that is baking, prepare the rum sauce. Pour the mango juice and the rum in a saucepan, add the butter and the sugar, and heat over a medium flame. The cake is done. Use a toothpick to test it, and then turn it upside down. Tap the pan and let's look to see what happens. Not all of the mango came out. Just use a spatula to put that back in. Cut the cake and let's have a look at the texture. You may pour some rum sauce onto that. Let's look at the texture more closely. It looks moist and it looks very tasty, and you can serve that as a dessert. This video is dedicated to Beryl Alexander Baillie. It was created by her daughter, Baillie. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.